Hello everyone, we're back. So today, this is our new opponents. One of them would be moving on. This is the semi-final. This is the semi-finals of the freestyles. Whoever moves on to here will fight the champions. Only a couple trucks are here today are the champions. Blue Thunder and somehow the Grave Keeper won. At the finals, I'll let you know how I judge these. I will be completely fair. I don't even judge them. I'll let someone else do it, to be fair. There's no point in any weight on that one. We're gonna let Gravekeepers give us a little show real quick before they start. Semifinals. Just a normal freestyle, nothing on the track. Just get some high air. That's all you have to do. Ooh, okay, yeah. That was not part of the plan for Gravekeeper. He just lost a wheel, not even in a competition. That one's gonna cost a lot. Yeah, we're just gonna leave the truck right here. Yikes, that has to suck. We're gonna go ahead and grab the truck, wheel for ourselves real quick. There we go. Yikes, that sucks. Well, I guess let's have Max D start us off here. I see no problem with that one. I think it'll be fun to see what he can do. He has to try his best though. He might get the worst score comparing to other people. Oh, let's let his time start when he hits jump. Time. Starting. Oh, straight away. Almost out. Wow. Already tearing stuff off of his truck. How much fun is that? To lose already parts of your truck immediately. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, he got out of that one pretty good. Wonder what his goal is here tonight. Going straight into a backflip? Okay. Big air there. Ooh, kind of puts it up on a bicycle mostly. Oh, with the bicycle. Okay. Pretty nice, Max D. Max D really is trying his best here. He does not want to get kicked out of this. He could have done better on that one. Some nice air right there. Just clearing it. Oh, this one's gonna hurt. Yikes, another one of those bad jumps. Oh, we lost the wheel. I mean, he's still getting that air though. My bad. This button's way too close to the back wheel steering. I mean, he's still trying though. Oh, that's his time, that's his time. Did pretty good there, not gonna lie. Came out of it only with a broken tire off. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, next up is the Dodge Destroyer. Destroyed. That's what to call it. The Dodge Destroyer, that's what I like to call it. It's gonna attempt to destroy the competition here tonight. Let the timer begin. Big air straight away again. Oh, crooked landing. Nice save by him. Okay. Going for pop-up wheelie right there. Nice. It's already been a bicycle in this competition so far. Oh, it looked like it was trying to do a bicycle right there. Really can't tell though. Ooh, with the wheelie though. Nice. Gotta give it to him. That's a pretty good pop-up wheelie. But only if he could hold it up longer though. I don't know what he's trying to do. Trying to do a little bicycle or no? Ooh. The save. Ooh, almost flipping it. And as soon as I say that, he flips it. Oh, almost got to be able to do a moonwalk right there. That would have been so nice to be able to see that go happen. Okay, with a backflip, can he land it though? He lands it. So you're gonna go for another one? Ooh. And he lands that one perfectly. Bit on the crooked landing side. What is his plan? Okay, if his plan was getting over here, I guess he did it. Ooh, big air. Okay, a bit of a backwards bicycle right there. Love it. Some pretty good timing on his run so far. Oh, that's his time. So far, 2 trucks getting out of it. Not like the last group. Okay, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Where are you? There he is. He's here to join us today. Let us run. Get. Alrighty, with some big air. Nice air right there. Ooh, a nice little pop-up wheelie. Good timing right there. Ooh. Okay, okay. Ooh, that was a bit of a crooked landing. Oh, that's where everyone's doing backflips today. Oh! Ooh, I don't know about that one though. That one was very bad. Doesn't look like the driver could see too well there too. Nice, get back up. Is he carrying something on him? I think he is. Sir, it's this one. He stole my pieces. I do gotta say right now, he has some pretty good air going for him. That broken tire for him though. I don't know about that one. It's not as bad as Max D's though. He had his whole tire come off. Oh, okay. Okay, Scooby-Doo. Okay. Scooby-Doo with the show off right there. That must be a pretty good skill for him. Seeing he's the first one to be able to do that in this competition. Do gotta say, he has a pretty good chance of getting some good points here to that. What is his goal here? Oh! Oh, okay, okay. And that's his time. Do gotta say though, Scooby-Doo with the best run out of everyone so far in this competition, in my opinion. That just part just a minute ago. Wow. That's all I gotta say. Just wow. I'm kind of scared. I don't know who's gonna move on. Max D or Scooby-Doo? I don't know about the other guy though. Well, we'll see. But let's give Blue Thunder a little bit of clout here. Go ahead and give everyone else a little show real quick. Maybe we can see something from him too. Oh, never mind, he's tempted. That might be like a one-time opportunity to see that one though. See what Scooby-Doo did there. Let's see if he can do it. Maybe he can. I mean, he tried. Put the save there though. Okay. Thank you, Blue Thunder, for the little show for everyone. Hope everyone has a good day.